Dear students, today I have selected 4 topics of the sequences from chapter number 6, class first year. Let us start with arithmetic sequence. Arrangement of the numbers which are placed in such a way that the difference between any two consecutive terms in the sequence, if it remains the same, we call it as arithmetic sequence. Let us start with 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. You can see that constant number is being added in the first number. If we take 2 as the first term and we add 2 to get the next term, that is 4. If we add 2 to 4, you will get next term as 6. This process is going on. And this constant number which is being added to the numbers to get the next number is called common difference. If you find the difference between 6 and 8, you will find it is 2. Similarly, common difference between 4 and 6, that is second term and third term, is also 2. So if the common difference between two consecutive terms remains the same, this is called an arithmetic sequence. And the numbers are, we get the successive terms by adding that constant number. If we take A as a first term and let's take D as the common difference. If we add D to the first term, you will get the second term. Similarly, if we add again common difference D to the second term, you will get the third term. Similarly, we go on increasing the number of D's and to get the next term. If now, with the help of this sequence, I shall try to make a general term of the arithmetic sequence, with the help of which we can find out any number of terms of the sequence, provided first term and common difference, and the number of terms are given. This A1 can be written as A1 plus 1 minus 1D. Second term can be written as A2, A plus 2 minus 1D. Third term, A3 can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Fourth term, A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Going in the same pattern, if we are required to find out nth term of the sequence, then it will be like this. Here you see, there are 4 elements are involved. If we know any 3 of them, we can find out the missing term. An stands for nth term, A1 first term, n is the total number of terms, D stands for common difference. This is the general term, this is the formula with the help of which we can find out any number of terms. For example, the same sequence, its first term is 2. Common difference incidentally is also 2. And if we are required to find out 50th term of this sequence, 50th term of this sequence, we can add A50 will be A stands for first term is 2. And then 50 minus 1, common difference. Common difference 4 minus 2, that is 2. Common difference 8 minus 6 equal to 2. As I have told you, difference between any two consecutive terms. So, common difference is 2. 2 plus 49 into 2. 2 plus 49 2s are 9800. So, instead of writing all the terms 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and so on, and then coming to the 50th term, we can directly find out 50th term of this sequence with the help of this general formula, which is known as nth term. And then the next topic is arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is obtained by the sum of each and every term of an arithmetic sequence. If we represent Sn as sum of the n terms of an arithmetic sequence, it will be like this: A1 plus D, A1 plus 2D, a1 plus 3d and so on, a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This is an arithmetic sequence. This is arithmetic series, sorry. And if in the next topic we shall find out sum of an arithmetic series. Let us add two arithmetic series in the reverse order. Just reverse the order and write down the last term in the first, then a1 plus n minus 2d and so on, and then you will write a1 plus b, and in the last you will write a1. Now, writing the arithmetic series in two different orders and then adding, you will get this type of relation 2Sn. First term is added to first term and you will get 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Again, second term added to second term and you will get 2a1 plus n minus 2 plus 1 into d plus so on. In this way, you will get 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Let me explain. If we add 2 n times, if we add 2 3 times, your sum is 6. If 2 is added 5 times, your sum will be 10. If we add 2 n times, up to n times, your answer will be 2n. Similarly, now you can see that there are n factors. On the right hand side, we are finding the sum of n terms like these. They are n in numbers, 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. 2Sn is equal to this, and Sn will be equal to n by 2, 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Dear student, this is the formula which is known as sum of arithmetic series. We can find out the sum of any number of terms of the arithmetic series if we know first term, common difference, and the number of terms whose sum is to be found. The next topic is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is actually known as average of two numbers. Average of two numbers. Now in this topic, we shall derive a formula to find out arithmetic mean between any two numbers. Let us start with A, capital A and B. If this capital A is an arithmetic mean between A and B, then A, small a, capital A and B will be an arithmetic mean. If this arithmetic mean is placed in between A and B, then as a result, we shall get an arithmetic sequence. And arithmetic sequence, by its definition, as I have mentioned in the first topic, if the common difference between two consecutive terms is same, then it is known as arithmetic sequence. Applying the same definition here, we can say that capital A minus small a will be equal to small b minus capital A, because A, capital A and B, they are in arithmetic sequence. Shifting this capital A to the left and this small a to the right, you will get two A's, A plus B, and capital A, which is called arithmetic mean between two numbers A and B. Its formula is A is equal to A plus B by 2. For example, you want to find out arithmetic mean between 10 and 18. It's quite simple. Just put the values 10 plus 18 divided by 2, 30, 28 divided by 2, that is 14. So 14 is the arithmetic mean between 10 and 18. If we put 14 between these two numbers, you will see that these three numbers will be an arithmetic sequence, because you can see that 14 minus 10, 4, 18 minus 14, again 4. So as per definition of arithmetic sequence, the common difference between two consecutive terms is same, and therefore 14 is the arithmetic mean between 10 and 18. That was the topic which I have mentioned here. We have discussed arithmetic sequence, we have discussed arithmetic series, sum of arithmetic series, and in the last we have discussed arithmetic mean. Its formula I have just derived for you. These are the 4 topics, very basic topics of chapter number 6. It's a very important chapter. And next topic would be geometric sequence, geometric series, sum of geometric series, and geometric mean. We shall discuss it tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.